Hello everyone, welcome back to Molly's Cozy Kitchen. Today we will be making vegan Caesar salad. Let's get started. We are going to start with a super creamy, flavorful vegan Caesar dressing. We have 200 grams of silken tofu, a quarter of a cup each of water and olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white miso paste, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We are also going to add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I usually just eyeball this to a scant quarter of a cup. We need to chop up a few olives, or you can do a teaspoon and a half of capers. I've used both of them in several variations of this salad dressing, and the results are pretty much the same. They both add that briny, salty flavor that is usually present in Caesar salad dressing. Don't forget a splash of the olive brine. You're also going to add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. I added an extra 1 or 2 than normal, and let's just say it was very garlicky. A little goes a long way, trust me. Once you have all your ingredients, blend it up until smooth. I like using a stick immersion blender, but you can use a Vitamix, a food processor, or any kind of blender that you have or like. Once the salad dressing is all blended up, you can taste for seasonings. I usually end up needing a little bit of extra lemon juice or salt, but in this case, it turned out pretty good the first try. Store in the fridge in a glass or plastic bottle, tightly sealed, and it will keep for up to 2 weeks refrigerated. Now, let's get on to some crispy breadcrumbs. They're even better than croutons. I have some vegan butter melting in the pan on medium-high heat, and to it I'm going to add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon each of granulated garlic and granulated onion, and kosher salt and black pepper to taste. You can adjust these flavors too, by adding chili flakes or Italian seasoning or any other spices you like. I prefer these breadcrumbs to croutons that are traditional in Caesar salad because they're very crunchy, they're easier to eat, and they get evenly mixed into the salad, so you can season them more evenly and enjoy them in every bite. Once they're golden brown, let them cool before tossing your salad. Now, I'm using kale because I love kale, but you could also use iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, or anything you want. Sometimes because I'm not a vegan, I even add a little Parmesan cheese, but this salad absolutely does not need it if you want to keep it vegan. Between the crunchy breadcrumbs, the creamy salad dressing, and how easy and healthy this recipe is, I usually make it 2 or 3 times a month. It's so delicious and it's such a crowd pleaser. Plus, it makes great leftovers. You've got to try this vegan Caesar salad for yourself, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Molly's Cozy Kitchen if you do. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications. You can check out the full written recipe at mollyscozykitchen.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.